Hi, everyone. Ron Premuroso with Yaeger CPA Review. And I'd like to share with you that we have very well up to date pre-recorded live videos for each one of the content sections on the BEC exam. Okay. And I'm going to now share those with you on your screen, on my screen. So if you go to YaegerCPAReview.com, and you go to the top of our homepage under products and scroll down to new live virtual classes, and then scroll down on that page and look for just the BEC previously recorded virtual classes. You will see for each content section that we have recorded those live sessions we had since July 1, 2021, when the blueprints changed on BEC. So all the materials, all the recordings, and all the information on these videos is current. And as you can see on the screen, we have, for example, content section 2. There are 2 videos, a part 1 on economic concepts analysis and a part 2 on economic concepts and analysis. Next to that is section 3 on financial management. You scroll down, part 1 and part 2. Then content section 5, which is operations management, which includes cost accounting concepts, part 1 and also part 2. And then the 2 sections that changed the most as of July 1, 2021 are recorded, and you can see them on the screen. And the first one is content section 1, enterprise risk management, internal controls, and business processes. So there's part 1 on the right-hand side. And then down here to the bottom left, we have the second part of that content section, which is now the largest part of the BEC exam as far as percentage toward your total grade. And then finally, we have also the very updated section, content section 4 on information technology, which was changed substantially as of July 1, 2021. So it's not probably necessary for most of you to buy all these videos or consider purchasing all these videos. But what you may want to do is to look at each content section, the blueprints, and the contents of that section, and then decide honestly which sections perhaps you're not as strong as you should be as you get ready to take BEC exam. And those that you are, of course, then it's not really necessary for you to consider obtaining those videos. So, and then finally, at the end, you can also buy from us, and we will send you AICPA practice exam and MCQs for BEC, which will test your overall comprehension and where you stand before you take BEC. You can see we have a part 1 and part 2 here. So we hope you will consider investing in these pre-recorded live sessions we've had, covering all the materials, blueprints, and contents in our books for the BEC part of the exam. Of course, they're aligned with our actual materials in our books. So it would also be good if you have the books with you at the same time that you're listening to the videos, because you will see on the screen our books and coverage as you go through the videos. And you'll also hear some live interaction between us and the candidates that attended these sessions. So it's very much ideally like a actual classroom session, so to speak. So any questions, please email us or call us, and we'd be glad to give you more information on these videos. A lot of our candidates have been buying them, and they have found they are very beneficial in their studying process for the BEC exam. Take care, everybody.